Hello, welcome to Coolness Maths Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to look at linear equations. That is the type 4. We've already done the type 1, the type 2, the type 3, and now we are going to do the type 4. And this type 4 is about equations containing fractions. So we are having two questions here to solve. So straight away, we are going to solve our questions. But please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you. All right, now let's start with the question 1. Question 1. Question 1 is solve. We have to solve 2x minus 1 out of 3 minus x minus 2 out of 4 is equal to 1. Now this is an example of a fraction. This is also a fraction. Now the top one is the numerator, the down one is the denominator. So when solving equation containing fractions, it is easier to solve when the fractions have been removed. To do this, change the fraction to whole numbers by first multiplying each term of the equation by the LCM of the denominators. Now these are the denominators. Now we have 3 terms here. Now when we talk of a term is being separated by negative, minus, plus, and equal sign. So this is one term, this is another term, and this is another term. So we have 3 terms here. So we are going to first find our LCM of the denominators, which is 3 and 4. And our LCM is going to be 12. So you are going to use this 12 to multiply through by the terms in this expression. So 12 times, then you write the numerator, which is 2x minus 1 all over 3. Then you bring your minus sign here. Then you write your 12 times x minus 2 out of 4 is equal to 1 times 12. So we have 3 12s here. This one, this is one, and that is the other one. Alright, so now this 3 goes into itself 1. 3 into 12 will give us 4. 4 here 1, 4 here 3. Now here we can group the numerator in a bracket. Can group the numerator in a bracket so that it will help us to multiply easily. So we're going to have 4 here, bracket 2x minus 1, bracket close, minus 3, bracket open, x minus 2, bracket close, is equal to, you can just multiply this one straight away. So 1 times 12 is 12. Okay. Now here we are going to remove the bracket by multiplying the number outside the bracket by the number inside the bracket. By the same thing, you can also multiply straight away. So 4 times 2x will give us 8x. And 4 times 1 will give us, 4 times minus 1 will give us minus 4. By this. Now let's go to this side. Negative 3 times x will give us negative 3x. Then negative times negative, we already know it is positive. Negative, so positive. 3 times 2 is 6. Then you bring your equal sign, equal to 12. Now here, we are going to group like terms. Now this and this are alike. So you group them here. So 8x minus 3x. Like this. Then you bring your equal sign here. This 12 is already here. So you write your 12 here. Then you bring this 4. This 4 is negative. So when it is crossing the equal sign, it becomes positive 4. Then you come to this side also. This 6 is positive. So when it is crossing the equal sign, it becomes negative 6. Now let's do our necessary subtraction. Now 8 minus 3 will give us 5. So that means we are going to have 5x is equal to, then we have 12 here plus 4 will give us 16. Then 16 minus 6 will give us 10. And here we are going to solve for x. So we divide both sides by 5. Divide both sides by 5 like this. Now 5 here 1, 5 here 1, 5 here 1, 5 here 2. So we are going to have our 5 here. We have isolated our x from the 5. So we are going to have x is equal to 2. So now my x is equal to 2. Now let's look at the this is the question 1. Now let's go to the question 2. That's our final question for the day. Final question for the day. Question 2. The question 2 is find the truth set of the equation. So we have 3 out of 4. 3 out of 4 into bracket x plus 1 is equal to 1 out of 2 bracket open x minus 2 bracket close plus 5. The same approach, we are going to find the LCM of the denominators. Now we have 4 and 2 as our denominators. So now our LCM is going to be 4. So we are going to multiply 4 by the terms in the expression. We have 4 terms here. This is one term, this is another term, this is another term, and this is another term, making 4. Alright. So since our LCM is 4, we're going to write 4 times 3 out of 4 bracket open x plus 1 like this, bracket close. Then plus, then you multiply the 4 by the 1 again. So 4 times 1 like this is equal to 4 times 1 out of 2 bracket open x minus 2 plus 5 times 4 like this, 5 times 4. Okay, this 4 will cancel this 4. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. Okay, so we are left with 3 into bracket x plus 1 like this, then plus 4 times 1 is 4, so you write 4 is equal to 2 times 1. We are going to have 2, then you bring your bracket, so x minus 2 like this, plus 5 times 4 is going to be 20. Okay, here we are to expand the bracket. We have to remove the bracket. So 3 times x will give us 3x plus 3 times 1 will give us 3. Then we have our plus 4 here. Just add your plus 4. Is equal to 2 times x will give us 2x. And 2 times negative 2 will give us negative 4. Then add your plus 20 to it. Then here also we are going to group like terms. So my 3x will stay like this. Then you are going to bring these 2 here. Since it is crossing the equal sign, it's going to be negative 2x. It is already positive here, so it's equal to. Then we have our negative 4 here. Then bring your plus 20 here. Then this one is also going to cross the equal sign, making negative 3. This one will be negative 4. You can add them and add this one before you do the you group the like terms. So here we are going to get x is equal to, we have negative 4 plus 20 will give us plus 16. Then plus 16 minus 3 will give us plus, let me come again, negative 4. Let's add the negatives. So negative 4 and negative 3 will give us neg 7 plus neg 4 will give us neg 11. So when we subtract the 11 from 20, we are going to get 9. Alright, so this is the end of the question 2. This is the solution for the question 2. Now the question is saying that we should find truth set. So you write truth set, then you bring your curly bracket like this. Since we solve for x, you write x is such that, then you write your answer, x is equal to 9. So this is the final answer. This is our truth set. Alright, so please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for me. More videos are coming, so please subscribe. Thank you.